So, proceed naman tayo. Ito, tuturo ko naman yung sa hyperbolic. Sa hyperbolic naman, meron tayong ito yung function and derivative ng hyperbolic. So, mapapansin nyo sa trigonometric, kung ito ay trigonometric, yung cosine natin, yung function na cosine, yung derivative niya is negative. Pero since hyperbolic to, hindi siya naging negative dahil yung sin x is equal to e to the power of x minus e to the power of negative x over 2, while yung cos since naman natin is equal to e to the power of x plus e to the power of negative x over 2. So, anong connection nito? Anong connection nito dito sa pagiging positive nitong sin na to? Bakit nga ba siya naging positive? Kasi kung i-derive natin ito, i-derive natin yan. So, d over dx of p x minus e to the power of negative x over 2. Ang mangyayari dyan is magiging yung ex, diba? E to the power of x, matik magiging e over x talaga yun siya. Magiging hindi pala ito kasama. Dito kasama sa i-derive. Ito kasama. Yan lang. So, yan lang. So, kung yan pa rin, and may negative dito, and i-derive naman ito, ang mangyayari dyan is magiging negative e to the power negative x. Yung mangyayari is equal to ex e to the power of x plus e to the power negative x. So, kita nyo naman na ito siya. So, kaya hindi siya naging negative. So, proceed tayo. Hanap tayo ng example na pwede natin i-solve. Okay. So, subukan natin ito i-solve. For example, y is equals to tan, hyperbolic tan 5x. So, ano bang derivative nito? Ito. Kasi meron tayong outer function. Ito yung outer natin, outer function. And yung 5x naman, yun yung ating inner function. So, unahin natin palagi yung ating outer, which is ito. So, ano ba yung tan? Y prime is equals to, ang derivative ng tan is ito. Hyperbolic second squared x. Si x natin is 5x times 5. Kasi 5 ito yung inner, derivative ng inner natin is 5. Itong derivative ng outer natin is itong second squared x. So, yung final answer natin is equal to 5 hyperbolic second squared 5x. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Ito na yung ating final answer.